Hey guys, Degenerate724 here, coming at you with an unboxing of the new Sprint LG Optimus G. Told y'all in the last couple of videos I was going to Sprint because Verizon just screwed me over. So I'll be using the HTC Joy DNA for a little bit longer than once my plan is up, and that's it. So open the box, and that's the front of it inside, and yada yada. Take this out of the phone itself. Turn it on for you. Little fancy bag to put your old phone in and send it away or whatever. Little guides, getting started and whatnot. USB cable and your wall adapter. Nothing special. And then you got your boot up screen. So you got different effects for the startup. I don't know why that Wi-Fi keeps popping on. The display on this thing is amazing. Got a 4.7-inch screen here. Quad-core processor. Let's see. Software. 3 Android 4.0.4. I actually thought this had Jelly Bean, but I was wrong. Let's see. Software. Oh, not my software. Hardware. Trying to find a. Nope. Nothing like that. But anyways, let's take you around the phone here. See display. You got different kinds of fonts. There, that's pretty cool. Oops. Lock screen, that's what it is. And your effects. This is for the lock screen. So you got that dewdrop spreading ink. You get that. Let's see. Ripple. I haven't seen that one yet. Oh. Yeah. Ripple. And then basic, just the regular. I like dewdrop though, it's pretty cool. The wallpapers on here are just amazing. Oh, a quad core control. Eco mode. Optimize your computer. I'm not sure if it turns off 2 cores or what. I don't know how that works. I haven't tried it yet, so. Yeah, it's a really good device. It's nice and colorful. It's just all around good. You get 7 home screens. Before we get into the rest of the phone, like I said, there's the three capacitor buttons, 4.7-inch display. I'll do a real review here later on, but this is just going around the phone. There's the 3.5mm headphone jack right there. 13-megapixel camera. Can't wait to try that out. Speaker at the bottom there, right there. On this side, power button. This side, the volume rocker. Bottom. USB port and some screws. And it's like feels like it's plastic, but I think it might be glass. I don't know. I'm getting a case for it though Monday. Yeah, it's just this display is just amazing. Best LG phone I've seen yet. Even though I'm only on 3G right now. It's amazing. It's just smooth and nice and crisp. And then you got your widgets and apps and whatnot. You get some themes with it, not too many themes, but like I said, we'll get into it into the specs and all that in the real review, in the in-depth review. So, alright guys, that's it. Thanks for watching and take care. See you later. Peace.